I've had a very busy summer of photography. That includes several of these short travel trips this year for business or quick getaways with family. So with this setup tested and proven, I'm going to run down what I believe is a nice minimalist kit, good for staying connected, productive, and creative while on the go. Let's get into it. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you what's in my camera bag for short travel trips. So what do I mean when I say short travel trips? I'm talking about 2 days or less. For me, this is a 1-day trip to New York. So for the last couple of years, I've been carrying around the Peak Design everyday sling in the 6-liter with the ash finish. This has been my go-to, my workhorse. I've filled it out to capacity, but for this trip, we're definitely going with a lighter kit. So something new to my kit, and you've probably seen my video about this, about my 5 must accessories for my DJI Pocket 3. This is going with me for the first time to New York. I'm very impressed with this little piece of device. It's going to allow me to get quick interviews, but it's definitely going in the bag. It's light, it's compact, and with the accessories that I have paired along with the Pocket 3, I think it's just going to be a great little combo for me in New York. So I'm very excited to use it on this trip. Right now I'm filming with it to film this video, but it is a piece of gear that's going in the bag. So I haven't talked about the iPad mini that is going with me on this trip. But before I get to that piece of gear, I do want to talk about my FeelNote notebook pad. I love writing in notebooks. I love journaling. I love jotting down notes. Even though I am taking the iPad mini with me, there is something about having this in my bag that makes me feel extremely comfortable. I collect these as well. I have a huge collection of FeelNotes. Right now I am collecting the National Park series. It's going in the bag. It does not take up a lot of room. So yeah, FeelNotes. So this piece of gear, which I mentioned earlier, is my iPad mini 6. This paired with the pencil is a great little workhorse. I am really impressed with it. I've had it for the last 3 years. I love the size of it. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, I have small hands, so this definitely fits in my hand. It's convenient for on the plane for quick edits. This thing has just been really my go-to aside from my laptop. So this is going to allow me not to have to carry my laptop on my trip because it's lightweight, it fits into the bag, and it's going to be able to meet all of the needs that I have for this short trip. So the next piece of gear that's going in the bag is the PGY SD card reader. This device is slim, it's lightweight, it holds about 6 SD cards and another 4 micro SD cards. It has this nifty port on the side here that you can just pop out. It is going to allow you to plug into your iPad mini as well as my iPhone. This is going to allow me to get photos really quickly from my camera to my device. Stay tuned to the end so you can see how this all packs up. As a professional photographer, I've only used the FUJIFILM X system paired with prime lenses. My camera setup for this trip is the FUJIFILM X-T3 paired with the VILTROX 56mm f1.4. I also have in the bag the VILTROX 23mm f1.4. I added the Peak Design hand strap for more protection when shooting and a few other accessories. Here's how it all packs in the bag. I also toss in an Apple AirTag for security, my iPhone 15 Pro Max, a charging brick, extra batteries, an ANKER portable battery charger, and an extra long power cord compatible with all of my devices. Alright guys, so that is what is in my camera bag for my short travel trip to New York. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know some of the gear that you use for short travel trips. And until next time, Peace.